school, the activities that had been taken up since the past till today and that will continue forever. Let me tell you all, my dear parents and dignitaries, our school has been established in the year 2018 in this old sericulture campus with classes 6, 7 and 8. Right from the beginning, our school has been flourishing well with all the students filled in all the classes with not even a single seat left behind. As days passed, we have started 9th class and 10th class, and from 2020 onwards, our students have been attempting SSC examinations, and from the year 1 of this school here, we have been getting outstanding results. Let me tell you, this year, that is 2024 SSC results, our school topper is Fahimunisa. Yes, Fahimunisa, she has achieved 591 marks out of 600. Our school, staff, parents, everyone is proud of the marks that the student has achieved. The second place has been bagged by Swarna Chelsea. She has achieved 586 marks. Not only in SSC, our school has been bagging good result in National Means Merit Scholarships also. All through the past years, every year we have been achieving great results. Our students have been achieving scholarships of rupees 12,000 per annum for a period of 4 years until they complete their intermediate second year. This is a proud moment for all the people over here, for all the students, for all the staff, for everyone, and the school itself is very proud to have the outstanding results every year. I have to appreciate the efforts of my dearest team, my teachers, whoever are striving hard, their efforts every day and night, not just only in academics. Apart from academics, my teachers are concentrating on all such values like moral values, discipline, character building, etc. I have to appreciate their efforts, and I have to thank all my dearest teachers for the efforts they have been putting every day. My dear parents, I would like to tell you that Government of Andhra Pradesh has been providing nutritious midday meal for all the students every day with a government prescribed menu that we are following every day. Like we have Ragi Java in alternate days, Chikki on alternate days, and egg on 5 days per week, and hot and nutritious food is being served to all the students under the assistance and guidance of all my dear staff every day. I have to thank the midday meal members, all the 4 people who are working hard for providing the midday meal. Named as Doka Sitama midday meal, which is being served every day for our students. I have to also mention about Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna Vidyarthi Mitra, wherein our government is providing uniform for all the students, textbooks, notebooks, dictionary, bag, shoes, belt, everything for our students. At the same time, free education for all the students of our school. My dear parents, my honest request to all the parents to send the students to school regularly in time. We want your children to be here before 9 a.m. so that they can attend the prayer and stay here until 4 p.m. So all the parents have to put effort in sending the students, their children to school in time, in full uniform. So all my staff is also behind all the success that is taking place in our school. I want the parents also to be hand in hand so that our students gain even more great and good results in the years to come. I want you, dear parents, to make your children study even in the evening times at home without wasting their time by moving around. And another thing which I want to tell you, parents, because we are providing nutritious food and snacks even at school, I request you parents not to allow your children to purchase petty things outside near the school. Please do not give them any money so that they go outside and purchase. Please and please requesting you all not to give any money to your children while they are coming to school, because they come to school for study, not for purchasing things outside. So this is my next request. At the same time, hand in hand, also see that they study at home. They clarify the doubts with their teachers in the school. Also be knowing their progress. Please be coming to school. Please be talking to the teachers every time whenever you are invited. Please be in touch with the class teachers. Know about their progress. Apart from that, also be knowing about their character in school, their discipline, how they are being here. For all such things, I want your cooperation. Apart from that, our teachers are here for bringing the best education. So years to come, with your support, I am sure the school will go to great heights. Thank you, one and all.